Joined now by Ahmed Banafa, engineering professor at San Jose State University. Professor, always good to have you on here. I know that you have been suggesting for quite some time that there needs to be an investigation like this into Tesla's autopilot system. Now there's been at least 11 of these similar crashes. I'm wondering why it took this long and what you hope comes from this investigation.
Well, it's really a good start, and this is about time. We have this been going on for many years, and the problem now is the accident or the problem with the autopilot is hitting the people outside the car. It's not just the drivers that they're losing their life. There are people outside that. The best outcome of this one is Tesla will go back and check the software and the hardware and do something about it.
It also sounds as though federal investigators are going to be looking at something that they term operational design domain. So this is when a driver is allowed to use the autopilot feature. And it sounds as though with these Teslas, there are no limitations on what sort of scenario you can put the car into the autopilot mode. Why is that important and potentially problematic?
Well, it's very important. I'm glad you mentioned this point, because we are at level 2 of the autonomous universe. It's from 0 to 5. When you talk about autonomous cars or autopilot, people think about the level 5, which is basically the car can be run by itself. So there is a disconnect between the term itself, autopilot, and the application and let's say that the risk that taken by having this in mind about this car can run by itself. The safety agency, they say that there is no car now in the road that can run by itself. You need the driver to be part of the process.